Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests of my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to share your notes on iPhone. This method works on iPhone 15. Please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Let's get started. First we need to go to Notes. After that we need to create a new note, for example, and click Done. After that we need to click on this button and here we must choose Send Copy. After that click on this guy if you want to share your note with him. Click. Here you can add a comment and click Send. And that's all. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Bye bye everyone, see you later.